So in this video, I'm going to go over our short vowel sounds. So there's a couple different ways to spell these sounds. Most commonly though, it's your A, your E, your I, your O, and your U. So just focus on those spellings. We're going to go through each vowel on its own. You see those slashes there? That's telling you that it's the vowel sound, not necessarily the letter. So when you see those slashes, it's talking about the sound instead of the letter. So this sound is ah, like bat and apple. Try that. Ah. Good. Now I have these awesome videos too to help you. You can speak along with these videos. So this is ah.
Ah. Astronaut.
Astronaut. Astronaut.
Let's say it together. Ah. Astronaut. Ah. Astronaut. Ah.
Awesome. All right. So that's a, astronaut, apple, bat. All right, let's do the next one. This sound is eh. So go ahead and say that with me. Eh. Like bed and pet. Eh. Let me play the video for you. You can practice along. Eh.
Eh. Egg.
Egg. Egg.
Let's say it together. Eh. Egg. Eh. Egg. Eh.
Good. Again, most commonly spelled with the letter E. Next one we have is eh. Practice that. Eh. We have big, big, and prince. This is eh. Play the video for you.
Eh. Insect.
Insect. Insect.
Let's say it together. Eh. Insect. Eh. Insect. Eh.
Awesome. So that was eh. Again, most commonly spelled with the letter I. Next one we have is ah. What I like about this one is that when you say the sound, it makes like the letter O with your mouth. So go ah, ah, like pot and odd. You can see how your mouth makes that sound. Ah.
Ah. Otter.
Otter. Otter.
Let's say it together. Ah. Otter. Ah. Otter.
Awesome. That one's my favorite with the ah sound. All right, last one. We have, oh, I didn't put the words in there. We have uh, like cup, up, cup. Again, most commonly spelled with the letter U.
Cup.
Cup. Cup.
Let's say it together. Cup. Cup.
Yay! Okay, so let's go through these one more time. So again, the slashes mean the sound, but for the purpose of this video, assume that the letter also makes that sound. So when you see that letter, it's going to make that sound. So we have a, I, and Awesome job.